Our business is everything related to tires. We got 7 branches all around Christchurch and North Canterbury, and we open 7 days. We offer a full selection of tires from the top of the line brands to the mid-range brands to the economy brands. On the mid-range, they come with a 50,000 Ks warranty on the 4-wheel drive tires and 40,000 Ks warranty on the mid-range tires. We guarantee to beat any price in town, and that's guaranteed. We do all the tire services related to tires: wheel alignment, wheel balancing, puncture repair, nitrogen fill, leg wheels. In our database, we have about 50,000 customers. We try to give a 5-star service for everyone. We love what we do, and all our staff, they're passionate in what they're doing.